personal for Patti H. We've got a 2021 Bowman Draft Sapphire Edition Baseball. Best of luck, Patti. Thanks so much for hopping in. Let's go. Empty. There we go. Got Emmanuel Rodriguez. Drew Gray first, Cubs. Cal Conley first for the Braves. And a Dalen Lilo first, Nats. Owen Kellington first for the Pirates. We've got yellow to 99, Marcelo Meyer. Boom! There you go, Patti. Very nice hit. You asked for a big Red Sox. There you go. 81 of 99. Sheesh. Oh, what was that, Hannah? There you go, Patti. We'll mag this one for you. That's going up on the stand. Very nice. Tommy Mace first for the Indians and J-Rod, Mariners. Very nice hit. JT Schwartz first, Mets. Benassi, a Miguel Geraldo, and a Mick Abel for the Phillies. Jordy Barley, Sam Bachman first for the Angels. Dustin Sayance first, Nats. And a Michael McGreevy first for the Cardinals. Saw a nice name on the back there. Gavin Williams first, Cleveland. Errol Vera, Angels. We have a Jordan McCants first for the Marlins. And a Brady House first, Nationals. Nice hit there as well, Patti. Christian Hernandez, Cubs. We've got green to 50, a Ruben Ibarra for the Reds. Nice. Nice color out of this box, Patti. Yeah, Wax. IG delay. It's a thing, man. Dominic Hamill first, Mets. And Jordan Adams for the Angels. Yeah, Patti, that's sick. I wonder what those go for. That probably goes for a pretty penny. Austin Martin. Jay Allen first, Reds. Landon Marceau first for the Angels. And Jordy Groshans. All right, last pack. Adley. Got Andrew Abbott first, Reds. Shad Dallas first for the Blue Jays. And last card, a Jung Liu for the Red Sox. All right, Patti, that'll do it for you. Great box there. Congrats on those hits. We'll be getting these right out to you.